All right, everybody, let me show you our room here at Loews Royal Pacific Hotel. I'll start off with the bathroom. Got a very nice tiled shower area. Just over to the left, we have a closet. And it's a standard size closet that you would expect in a hotel room. Now let's make our way into the bedroom area. We have a flat screen television and two queen size beds. This is a standard room, by the way, here at Loews Royal Pacific. Pretty wallpaper, pretty light fixtures. And we have a desk and a mirror. And on the desk we have plenty of charging ports, including USB. Have them on both sides of the desk. And as we look at our view here, we actually overlook the main entrance, but the main entrance here is so beautiful that we get a great view. It's very nice, very, very happy with this. If we move over here to the nightstand, we're going to see we're also going to have some additional USB charging ports on the alarm clock, as well as built into the nightstand. So let's take one more look, coming back the other direction at our hotel room. And there it is, a standard room here at Loews Royal Pacific at Universal Orlando Resort.